Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to download Karnataka Bank app on your iPhone. If you are downloading this app on Android device, use Play Store, and in case of iPhone, go to App Store. Go to search option and in the search bar type the Karnataka Bank Limited and hit search. Once the search result appears, you may get varieties of app. Locate the KBL Mobile Plus and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID, Face ID for authentication. Follow the on-screen instruction to proceed. Wait for the app to download and install on your iPhone. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the KBL Mobile Plus app. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Karnataka Bank app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.